Who says that running Google Ads campaign is difficult? No, it's not difficult. And I'm here with an amazing Google Ads case study where I'm going to discuss on how we were able to generate or make a campaign a very successful from a failed campaign to a very successful campaign. So without wasting any time, let's get started on the campaign. So this is website over here. So first study the website. The website is regarding in home care services in St. Louis, and they provide the in home care services. Okay, the first thing over here is that running campaigns is not difficult, but targeting, understanding the campaign is very important. So what we did was we pinpoint something over here. So there were a few of the USPs which we tried to understand. They got A plus rating with BBB. They were in the business for over 10 years. There were some areas, and they provided us with some location: St. Louis, Springfield, Kansas City, Columbia over here, and over here with they also provided with some keywords over here. And so what we did was, the first thing, let's get started from that the client tried to run various campaigns. They tried with performance max campaign, they tried the display campaign, and none of them worked previously. So the first thing which we did is not to sort out the campaign, but the first issue they had, I'm going to show you, so then I can tell you the issue over here. So let me show you, so I can make it small so you guys can see over here. Okay, so over here, let me move over here so I can show you. Okay, so the issue the client had was that previously it was the conversion tracking was not working. So the first thing was that we installed the conversion tracking last month so that we were able to track the conversions. So I'm going to show you. So you may see over here that they were spent, but it was zero conversions because the client didn't had installed the conversion tracking. So the first thing we did was to install the conversion tracking on the website and on the Google Ads through the Google Tag Manager. We have dedicated videos on how you can do it, but in case if you have me and my team, we are going to do it on your behalf. So because without it, your whole marketing strategy is going to be waste. The second thing what we did was we studied their competitors. Okay, competitors, their offers, whatever you call their offers, plus landing page, plus services, plus reviews. Okay, these are the few things through which you can convince someone to buy our product or service: their offers, landing page, services, and reviews. So what we did was we tried to understand we started visiting them as a visitor and compared the client website versus the competitor website on with whom website we are getting more inspiration or whom website we are getting more convinced. So obviously our website lacked something. So what we did was we changed the content. We worked, we have a copywriter in our team, so she added some content on the website. We looked on the images, thoroughly reviewed, tried on different devices, but visited multiple times the page because we wanted to win it. We wanted that we should be actual, we should be the best performer. So that was the thing when we tried running it. After this, multiple tries and multiple working on the page, on the website and everything, then we would say that now our landing page is okay, now we are good to go. After this, what we did was we didn't create another performance max campaign, another display campaign, but we started with a new search campaign over here. So if you may see over here, this is a search campaign. Now often people ask, oh no, your optimization score needed to be high to win it. You maybe see that they maybe while that you're gonna see that, oh, if your optimization score is not good, you are not gonna win it. So I'm going to show you the optimization score of the campaign so you guys have an idea. The campaign optimization score is just 55%. This is not necessary, guys. Try to understand. What's more important is that you are getting customers, your CPC is low, you're getting the best of the world. So which is why AI is not everything. We recommend AI, we use AI, our staff use AI, our team use AI, but do not solely rely on AI. That is what I'm going to say you. Use the help of AI to perform your master decisions, but do not rely solely on it. Use this AI. I'm not saying not to use, but use it to get the advantage of it. That is the most important thing over here. So after this, I'm going to discuss regarding some assets over here. You may see over here that ad assets, also known as ad extensions, so they play a crucial role in optimizing your campaign. I'm going to show you so guys have an idea. Now this is an ad preview tool. They were previously known as ad extensions, so now it's being changed to ad assets. So you may see over here, now this is a simple ad. This is a simple ad, but what if I'm going to add different ad assets over here? So now tell me, this ad is more interesting or the previous ad was more interesting? Okay, let me remove all of these so you guys can see it again. So we see which ads turn you well. Obviously the ad with more assets. So we think that ad with assets plays a crucial role over here. So we worked around on our offers, we created some ad assets over here, and it's not that this is the end of the world. We are trying everything over here to see, we are trying with different ad assets on different places. So again, it's not a good idea to do the automated extensions, but do your work, do your research on what ad assets you're going to use, what business name, phone number, discount, promo, images, whatever you're going to use. Okay, so we are using images as well. That even now you can use the images on search campaigns. Yes, you can use it. So apart from this, now moving back on some working which my team did. Okay, we have a dedicated channel. So for all of the projects, for instance for this client, we have this dedicated where we discuss regarding the changes. Now again, it's a teamwork, so it's not something a single person is doing it, but we as a whole team work together on all of the client to make them a successful project. So this is what what matters the most to us. So now do your research. I'm going to make myself smaller so you guys can focus on the screen images and get the data over here. Again, the recommendations are not necessary to be applied, the data is needed to be necessarily applied. So you may see over here July no conversions because there was a no conversion tracking installed. And now we're gonna do the research for the last month. Over here you're gonna see over here, I'm going to see over here that you have got 14 conversions at $2,686. So do the math over here. I'm going to do the math over here by using the calculator over here. 2086 divided by 14 over here, and you're gonna see that your cost per conversion was $191. Now if we move to this month over here, you may see it's 263 right now with 4 conversions. And if I'm going to divide 263 right now with 4 conversions, it's now $65. So $191 now versus 65 is a lot of time. So what we did was, what exactly how we were able to achieve this, and I'm going to show you the client testimonial as well in the end of this video regarding the Google Ads optimization and how we were able to get it a successful campaign. So there were a few things which we did. First of all, the thing which we did was location targeting. We worked on the location targeting. That is the most core important thing. We worked on the locations, and then we worked on our ad groups. We tried different combinations, different things over here to see what's working well for us. Then look around for the timings to see what timing worked well for this over here. So sorry for if it's not showing over here. It's basically will show over here. It's not shown. Just a second. It's going to be shown over here. Just a second. So now you can see over here the locations are over here right now, and we get getting the data which location is converting well for you. Now our future plans may be to create specific location based campaigns over here, because the Kansas is working well for this month. And if you look around on the last month data over here, so you may see over here that the cost per conversion is definitely 191 versus this month is definitely reduced. Now you may see over here we also did other things as well. Apart from getting separate groups, We built a new dedicated landing page focused on NI home care services for better alignment with each search intent. We added a new group over here. We added 10 irrelevant keywords to the negative keywords. Now we are also doing daily monitoring. Now we are also looking around for our bidding strategies and how we can optimize it further. So try to understand what matters the most is how your campaign is working well. Sorry, this is maybe little fluctuating, so you guys have to bear with me. With the I'm going to show you some of the settings as well, so you guys have a clear-cut idea. And then I will tell you the final part, and the last part is going to be the client review, the testimonial. I will keep it on the end side. So you guys can see over here, you can see over here that now the Google search network is now running. We are not including search partners, not the display network over here. Apart from this, you may see over here this is our budget, and we are targeting for maximize conversion strategy. We are bidding equally for new and existing customers over here. So the target locations, excluded locations are over here, and so you may see over here that I highly recommend you to offer the presence, not presence or interest. So now I'm going to show you some of the negative keywords as well. These are the negative keywords which we are trying to add on everyday basis. We are trying another keyword, another day, another research. So to get the most out of our campaigns, this is some of the crucial factors we need to understand. Now another factor is the timings. Okay, so you can see over here that we are now running a specific hours, specific days to see what's working well for us and what days are working well. We may need more data to optimize it, but this is now a very good data to get a customer testimonial, and I'm here. So we see over here that this is one of the customer testimonial which we got. I got a couple of good new potential clients yesterday for helpful hands. And yes, whatever you are doing seems to be working. So yeah, me and my team is very thankful to the client because she actually praised the work, and this is what matters in your long-term campaigns, is that you are winning, and this is a successful case strategy. I hope everyone likes it, and yeah, we were able to make it work. So for those who are looking to get a service, we are a Google partner company, and we can definitely help you in getting more sales and optimizing your business. So in case if you need our services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description, and we will definitely love to work with you in optimizing a Google Ads campaign. We can also help clients with setting up their Shopify, WordPress websites. We also help clients with Google conversion tracking, Google Merchant Center. We are a full-fledged marketing agency. So click on the link in the description or in the first comment to know more about us. Thank you for watching, and lastly, make sure to subscribe to my channel. In case you have any feedback or insights, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. I hope you like this case study. Thank you and take care. Bye bye.